What up, my boy? Yes, sir. I ain't forget you. Dap me up. Oh, whoa. What are you doing? Oh, that's your girl. My fault. Yo, I ain't gonna lie. That dog is cooked. How he get inside the... Oh, I'm bugging. I didn't know that he was thugging. Hey, boss man, let me get 30 on pump 5, you heard? Come on, speed it up. They try to say I'm crazy, but y'all see that? The government will still tell you dinosaurs don't exist. How do you explain a Catosaurus Rex, bro? Y'all really gotta wake up to this matrix. I can't even get into all that. I think the feds got my other cat cooperating. Yo, stop playing the rap. Bro, did you really just bite me, bro? After everything I did for you, I saved you from that shelter. They were gonna put you down. I raised you, I fed you, I gave you everything. Why? Why?